Welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Oliver.
My name's Ben.
And today we'll be unboxing and reviewing a smartwatch.
Okay, so as Oliver said, we've got these smartwatches. So this is all part of our Temu Tenner video series. So there's an online store called Temu, T-E-M-U. We're going to do a series of tech we can get, or not even tech, just gadgets, things like that, for under a tenner, so under £10. So these came in about £8.50 each. So £8.50 for three. We've got three for £8.50 each. We've opened one, we've had a play around with one, but we've got another two. So we're going to unbox one, have a look at it. Oliver's going to use that. And then this other one, Oliver, we're thinking we're going to give it away. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah? You reckon we should give it away?
Yeah, definitely.
So I think we'll do the video. So hopefully this video will come out on Sunday what day are we on now? Sunday the 16th of July. So we'll do it until the Friday, which is Friday the 21st of July. So it'll be midday Friday the 21st of July, I think it is. But we'll confirm in the description. And then on Friday the 21st of July, we'll go live and do a live giveaway of one of these watches. So we'll get set up on the desk here, clear it up a little bit, and we'll start unboxing one of these watches. Okay, Oliver, go for it. So we'll keep one to one side, and the lucky winner next week will get this one. So we'll put this to one side. So Oliver, go for it. Open it up. See what we get inside the box. So it's pretty basic packaging so far by the looks of it. Okay, so I'll just move these out of the way first, Oliver. So just a plastic inside there. The box, it's got a little bit of information on it about what it does: phone book, alarm clock, music, heart rate, find phone, sports and notifications. So, there is some instructions in there. Let's just rip it open. Instructions. So we'll get rid of them. So what else have we got, Oliver? What else have we got in the box?
I'm guessing this is a wireless charger.
Wireless charger, yeah. So it's like a charging dock, isn't it? That it'll the watch will sit. Watch, yeah. Oh yeah, it's magnetic as well. It's pretty strong as well. Oh, flipping it. Okay, so we've got that. The watch itself. What are these? What's this, Oliver?
It's the strap for the watch that goes around it like that, kind of thing.
Yep. Okay.
And then we've got the actual watch here.
Actual watch there. So what do you think to watch, Oliver? Does it feel pretty good? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, quite good. Like build quality.
Yeah.
Is that button all right?
I don't know.
Oh, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Just goes in a little bit. Isn't it? It's just a rocker. It's like a rocker power button almost there. So just peel the plastic off, Oliver. We'll have a look at the screen, see what the screen's like. Make sure it's not broken after I just dropped it. Nice.
Yeah, shall we test out the button?
Did you just take the? You need to take the.
Yeah, you've just loosened it a little bit, but it's all right.
The front sticker as well.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, right, I'm gonna say.
Okay, so there was a sticker on the back which has come off and a sticker on the front. Yeah, that button there is a little loose. I don't think I've done that. I think it's just like that. Oh, you see that one we've got there is more of a plastic. It's the same thing, but it's quite a loose button on the side there. But the build quality is pretty cool actually. It's pretty nice. Obviously, it's supposed to look a little bit like the Apple Watch Ultra.
Yeah.
That kind of style. It's probably not as big as that, but it's got the crown. What do they call that? The rotating crown, is it, on the Apple Watch? A second button there, and obviously that button there. You can see it's got a speaker built into the side of it there. By the looks of it, is it just a single speaker? Yeah. There's a couple of holes in it, which I'm assuming is probably a microphone, and then you've got the grooves on the bottom. Well, yeah, bottom and top for the strap to slide into. So we'll just pause there. We'll get the strap set up, and we'll move on to the next step of setting up the phone app and turning on the watch. Okay, so we have put the watch strap on. It's all looking good. It fits Oliver. It's a little bit too long, the watch strap, but it's fine. Okay, Oliver's also installed it on the phone. What was the app called, Oliver?
Fit Pro.
Fit Pro. F-I-T-P-R-O. Fit Pro. Available on the iOS and Google Play Store, Apple Store and Android Play Store. But we've obviously got Android on Oliver's phone there. So we've got the app open here. All we're going to do now, Oliver's going to switch the watch on for the first time. We'll see if there's any power in it. If there isn't enough power in it, we've got a battery power pack here, and we can kind of charge it while we're using it. So let's just have a look at what it says to turn the watch on. Okay, it doesn't say any instructions, or I can't find it how to switch it on. So Oliver, just press some buttons. Press that top one, the wheel first. That presses in, I think. See if anything happens. No. Bottom one. Press and hold it in, maybe. No. I'll try the orange one on that side. No. Okay, so it might be, the battery might obviously be dead. So what we'll do, we'll drop it onto this charger, and we'll see if anything happens. Okay. Okay, so the watch has definitely come on. You also can't, I don't think you can use it while you're charging it, which is a bit of a pain. But we're in the app now. So Oliver, if you go to the home page on the app,
Yep.
we need to find where you can add the device on the app.
I've seen that.
Seen it?
Mine, where you have to log in there.
So you need to log in first. Okay, so it's in the app, you go to the My section, then you need to log into the application. Can you log in with Google? So you can log in with your Google account. Yep, that's fine. So Oliver's going to log in with his Google account, hopefully. So he's got Oliver Huson Google account. So it's just logging in at the moment. Just show the camera over here, Oliver. It's just going through the usual Google pages just to accept the permissions. So click continue there. Okay, so Oliver's now got the phone app sorted out by the looks of it. I think we're there on the phone app. So we've gone on to this set section on the app, haven't we, Oliver?
Yeah.
And there's a little bit up here that says bind devices to experience more features. Press that, Oliver, let's see what happens. Okay, so it's got like a radar thing now and it's looking for a watch. Okay, so it's found a few things here by the looks of it. So we just need to make sure we choose the right one.
Oh, it's gone off.
Okay, so we're going to do it by a little bit of trial and error now. So Oliver, when it comes back up, we're just going to try the one that says watch, aren't we, Oliver?
Yep.
So hopefully that does come back up. So press a watch. Right, so it is connected to a watch. Oh, no, it's disconnected. Okay, what I think we need to do, I think we need to just leave things to charge for a little bit, get a little bit of charge in it, and we'll have to come back and try it, because obviously we need to be able to see the screen to connect, I think.
Yeah.
So we'll let this charge just for, we'll give it about maybe 15 minutes just to get a decent amount of charge in it, and then we'll come back and hopefully complete the rest of the setup.
Yep.
Okay, so me and Oliver did a bit of trial and error. You can't use the watch while you're charging it. It kind of disables the Bluetooth, doesn't it? So you can't use the watch while you're charging. So at the moment it's charged, it's got a little bit of charge in it, just enough to kind of use it. So you can see hopefully there that it's on. It's connected to the phone. It updated the time settings on its own on the phone, Oliver. And that's about it really. It's connected. So we've got the Fit Pro app itself on here. Obviously there's like a fitness application. It tracks your sleeping, it tracks your steps, your calorie and your heart rate, things like that. Does all that in the Fit Pro app, obviously using the watch to do that. So you've got step counter, you've got the heart rate monitor on the back of the watch there. That's about anything else, Oliver, you can think of we've seen there.
ECG.
ECG, that's just other heart stuff in it that it checks.
Healthy habit thing.
Healthy habit, yeah. So there's obviously a lot of stuff you can do with this application. Yes, it's like your habits in it, like your reading and stuff, and go to bed, so tracking your sleeping and stuff if you wanted it to. Very similar to obviously other applications you get. We're not going to be able to tell straight away how good this is. It's going to take a little bit of testing. So obviously Oliver obviously use this and do wear it quite obviously most days. Probably won't wear it to school, but wear it most days and see how good it is. So we'll do some basic tests. We'll just stop recording for a second. Me and Oliver have a little think, and we'll just have a think about what we can test. Okay, so we've decided we're going to do a test of the step counter. So obviously tracks your steps, tracks your distance that you walk, etc. We're going to test that. We'll do a couple of heart rate monitor tests on it. So Oliver will probably do like test it stood still, go for a run, test it after, see what his heart rate goes. So we're going to do that, are we, Oliver?
Yeah.
Yep. And then I think that's probably about it for now. And I think what we'll do is obviously we'll maybe do like a 3-month review, something like that. Would you reckon 3 months, all right? Okay, so Oliver is here inside. We were going to do some testing outside, but it's actually raining outside, which is a bit of a pain. So Oliver, we've got it working. It's all working fine. It fits in perfect. Looking great. So Oliver is going to do, show us the steps it's got at the moment. Oliver, how many steps are we on at the moment? Okay, so Oliver is currently on 97 steps. So you can see the screen there as well, actually, how it's really bright, quite dark in this room, really. But it's really bright, isn't it, Oliver, to be fair? Yeah. So on 97, Oliver's going to have a sprint round the house. I'll tell you what to do, actually, Oliver, while we've got it. Why don't you go the apps onto your apps and go on the heart rate one. And we'll do a heart rate test, see what it comes out with.
Current heart rate.
Yeah, it's just testing it. It's just
0.
show the camera. So it's doing his heart rate at the moment. 77. Right, so do a run round the house.
Everywhere.
Run round. Then we'll test your heart rate when you come back and see how many steps we've done. Go! Okay, it's coming back in now. Oliver, come run back round to me and do 5 really quick, fast press-ups down here. Quick. 5 press-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up, quick. Get onto heart rate monitor. Quick. What are you doing? Stop.
There.
No, it's heart rate monitor. Yeah. Heart rate, right. It's testing his heart rate now. Are you out of breath, Oliver? Yeah. What's it going to be?
71.
71's gone down. Okay, might not be that accurate, the heart rate monitor. Check your steps, so what steps are we on?
Let's see. You swipe left, yeah? There.
Swipe up.
199.
199, so steps do work. Yeah, excellent, that's good, that's cool. So we'll test what you test there, Oliver. Heart rate monitor?
Heart rate monitor and the steps.
And it's both working?
Yep.
Excellent. Go get your phone and we'll see if it's updated in the app as well. Okay, Oliver's got the phone. He's got his watch. It says connected on the phone, which is good. Connected steps, 278. Oops, got adverts in the app. Oh, adverts in the app. Continue to the app. So you've done 0.1 kilometres, you've burnt 5 calories. And that's about it, Oliver. But at least it updates really quickly in the app. Does it show your heart rate as well then, or ECG?
I think you're going to have to start measuring.
Oh, just cancel that, yeah, don't worry, that's easy, it's different, isn't it? So you do the heart rate, obviously, on your watch, can't you? Oh, there, look, heart rate.
Oh, heart rate, yeah.
Just do start measuring, does that actually activate your watch? Oh, it does, yeah, look.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Okay, so you can use it like that as well. Let's see what it does now. Well, maybe the heart rate monitor isn't... Oh, it's gone up a bit, yeah. Okay, that's a bit better.
Same there and on there as well.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, excellent. Well done, Oliver. At least the app's working, that's cool. Perfect. Okay, so we've done a full unboxing there of the watch. We've tested it out, tested the features out. We've got it set up on the application. It's worked really well. Obviously, if you do get this watch, or if you're lucky enough to win the giveaway, I think the key thing is let it charge for a bit first. You reckon, Oliver? Yeah, you need to let it charge first. Get some power in there, because as I said, probably the worst thing about it is you can't use it while you're charging, which kind of makes sense because you probably wouldn't want to, but it's a little bit of a pain. The other thing it does do when it's charging is it shows you the time and shows you the charge going up. Yeah. So that's about it. So it's a little bit annoying, but yeah, overall really good watch for the price. £8.50. You know what? It's crazy. You can spend hundreds of pounds on a smartwatch, but for £8.50 you get this. Obviously, it probably won't last forever. It might break if you dropped it once. So yeah, really good. Oliver, what's kind of your main things you think about the watch?
I like it how it's really cool looking, and it's really comfy on the straps when you put it on your arm and wrist.
All right, yeah, the rubber strap.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is really comfy. Yeah. Obviously, it doesn't really dig in, and it's really flexible in terms of all the holes in there for the size of wrist. Yeah. I was a little bit worried it wouldn't fit Oliver's wrist, but it definitely fits Oliver's wrist fine, as it fits mine. Go on, Oliver.
It tightens round it really well so it doesn't fall off.
It does, yeah. And what you can do, this pin here, this silver pin, is adjustable, so you can move it further if you need to adjust it for that strap. So yeah, as we said right at the beginning of this video, I mentioned a couple of times, this is a giveaway. So we've got the watch Oliver's unboxed and will use, but we do have this other watch here, don't we, Oliver?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we will be giving this watch away. So hopefully, as I said, it is today, the Saturday the 15th of July today. Hopefully I'll get this video out tomorrow, which is Sunday the 16th of July. And then we will do the giveaway, run the giveaway for the week until Friday the 21st of July. Is that right? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So midday, 21st, Friday the 21st of July, the giveaway will run until then. And then on Friday evening, me and Oliver will do a live stream and we'll do the giveaway live in this very studio here. Yep. Okay, we're all done and dusted now. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, hopefully it's been useful. If you have liked the video, if you found it useful, and you want to enter that giveaway, you need to like this video anyway. So we didn't mention that before, but to enter the giveaway, you need to like this video, give it a thumbs up. You need to subscribe to the channel, to the Huson DIY channel. We are super close to 1,000 subscribers at the moment, so hit that subscribe button to enter the giveaway. And in the comment section, leave a comment as to why you would like the watch, or just leave any kind of comment. A comment will enter you into the competition, into the giveaway. They're the only 3 things you need to do. Every comment we will take an entry for. Multiple comments, it's not multiple entries, it's just 1 entry per however many comments you leave. So 1 per person. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, enter into that giveaway, and me and Oliver will be back on Friday night, Friday the 21st of July, doing a live giveaway. We'll see you then.